Hello and welcome to another Ask BHS. I'm Chuck Ray and joining me today is Ken Swihart, Aftermarket Support Manager.
Hi Chuck, how are you?
Great, Ken. Today let's talk about battery lifting beams.
I'd love to, and we've got one standing nearby that we can go look at.
Let's get into it.
We thought it'd be a good idea to go over the details of the lifting beam inspection that should be done daily, pre-shift, pre-use. The lifting beam comes with a label on it that goes through the steps and the items that need to be inspected. The information on that label is also in the manual that comes with the beam. The manual also includes a lot of proper operation, safe operation, those types of things. We definitely recommend operators read the manual before using the beam. As far as the inspection goes, you want to inspect the wood, make sure there's no damage to the wood, no splits, no cracks in the lamination. Inspect all the hardware, make sure it's good and tight, including the screws and the trunnions. And then as far as the hooks, you want to inspect the throat of the hook to make sure there's a minimum 5/8 material there, and then inspecting the eye of the beam for a minimum 3/4 inch material there. If you are using it with a fork attachment, you'd also want to inspect the fork attachment, wear on the hook, the spring pin, the lock on the hook. Make sure all of the hardware and the connections are tight. Safety chains in place with the hook attached.
And I see you've got it stored for us here today on the CSBOB.
We do. Surprisingly enough, most damage to lifting beams doesn't happen while you're using the lifting beam. It's the improper storage. The beam gets thrown into a corner, dropped, run over, kicked, treated poorly. And so yes, we recommend storage, a proper storage unit such as our CS-BOB.
Thanks, Ken, for that information. If anybody wants to know more, how can they get hold of you?
Via phone at 877-247-4968, via chat on the app or the website, and via email at service@bhs1.com.
Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned. We've got more coming your way.